Why is how to measure important in the garments industry? In the garments industry, accurate measurement is one of the most important requirements for ensuring the correct fit, appearance, quality, and consistency of a garment. Knowing how to measure a garment correctly helps everyone involved, from the pattern maker and sample technician to cutting, sewing, quality control, and production teams, to follow the same measurement standards. 1. To ensure correct fit. The main purpose of garment measurement is to achieve the required fit. Measurements such as waist, hip, thigh, knee, bottom hem, front crotch, and back crotch directly affect how a garment fits on the body. If any measurement is incorrect, the garment may become too tight, too loose, too short, or too long. 2. To develop an accurate pattern. A pattern maker needs accurate measurements to develop the correct pattern. The measurement points must be clearly understood so that the pattern is constructed according to the buyer's requirements. Incorrect measurement methods can result in an incorrect pattern, even if the pattern construction itself is technically correct. 3. To follow the buyer's measurement specification. Every buyer provides specific measurement requirements in the measurement specification tech pack. The garment must be measured according to the buyer's approved method. If the measuring method is different from the buyer's standard, the actual measurement may appear incorrect even when the garment is made correctly. 4. To maintain measurement consistency. A standard measuring method ensures that everyone measures the garment in the same way. For example, a half hip, a half thigh, a half knee width, and a half bottom hem must be measured from the correct positions. This creates consistency between pattern, sample, production, and quality departments. 5. To reduce measurement problems during sewing. Many fitting problems are discovered during sewing because the measurement was not checked properly before production. Proper measurement checking at the sample stage helps identify problems early and reduces alteration, rework, rejection, and production loss. 6. To control sample quality. Before approving a sample, the garment should be measured carefully and compared with the approved measurement specification. This helps the technical team identify whether the problem is related to pattern, sewing, fabric shrinkage, construction, measurement method, garment finishing. 7. To improve quality control. Quality control teams need a standard measuring procedure to inspect finished garments. A proper how to measure guide helps QC inspectors measure the garment accurately and make reliable decisions about whether the garment is within tolerance. 8. To control tolerance. Garments normally have an approved tolerance, such as plus or minus 1.4, plus or minus 1.2, or another buyer-approved tolerance. Correct measurement is necessary to determine whether a garment is within the allowed tolerance. 9. To reduce buyer complaints and rejection. Incorrect measurements can lead to fit complaints, measurement failures, sample rejection, production rejection, shipment problems, customer dissatisfaction. A correct measuring method helps prevent these problems before they reach the buyer. 10. To improve communication between departments. Pattern, sample, cutting, sewing, quality, and merchandising teams must understand the same measurement points. A clear how to measure diagram creates a common technical language between all departments and reduces misunderstanding. 11. To maintain production consistency. Once the correct measurement method is established, the same method can be followed from the first sample through bulk production. This helps maintain consistent measurements across different sizes and production batches. 12. To support pattern correction and fitting. When a measurement is found to be incorrect, The pattern maker needs to understand exactly where the measurement was taken. For example, front crotch, back crotch, hip position, knee position, and waist height must be measured from clearly defined points. Without a standard measuring method, it becomes difficult to identify the actual source of the problem. Conclusion: how to measure is not simply a measuring instruction, it is an essential technical standard in garment manufacturing. A correct measuring method helps ensure correct pattern, correct fit, correct sample, correct production, better quality, fewer rejections. Therefore, every garment professional should understand where to measure, how to measure, and which measuring method is required by the buyer. A well-prepared how to measure guide with clear arrows and measurement points can significantly reduce technical mistakes and improve communication throughout the entire garment production process.
আজ এই পর্যন্তই। আবার দেখা হবে নতুন একটি ভিডিও নিয়ে। সাথে থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। ইউটিউব ভিডিও এন্ডিং সাজেশন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করবেন। আর লেকট্রা মোদারিসের আরও অ্যাডভান্স টিউটোরিয়াল পেতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি অন করে রাখুন।